Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to Gadgets and Toys. Today I'm going to do a short review on this little guy, the 18mm wide lens from Moments. There are many times I don't have my camera with me. The closest thing I have is my mobile phone. I'm using Google Pixel 3 right now, but the lens may not be wide enough for what I need to take. So I was looking at lenses that is attached to phone, and I came across a few models, but most of them uses the clip-on and you mount it on your phone by clipping on it. I don't feel safe. Any knock or bump might drop the lens. I've been searching for a while and I've come across this lens from Moment. It's an 18mm wide angle lens. What's special about it is it doesn't use any clip. It actually uses sort of a screw-on mechanism to their special proprietary phone case. This is for my Google Pixel 3 and they have a latch on the phone case to let you screw on the lens just like that. There are quite a couple of lenses to choose from. Micro lens, zoom in lens, fisheye lens, but I go for this 18mm wide angle lens. I really like the build quality of the chassis and the glass. Now to give you an idea how wide it can go, I'm going to mount it on my phone with the video still on. I find it pretty handy. All I need is just to bring this little guy out and with my phone case on. So if you find this interesting or useful, please click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, click on the bell button for future video, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye!